in the Twin Cities has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Blue Earth County, Lee Seward County, southeastern Nicollet County, western Rice County, until 3:15 a.m. At 9:34 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are possible. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Mankato, Faribault, North Mankato, St. Peter, New Prague, Lansdale, Montgomery, Le Center, Eagle Lake, Waterville, Webster, Nicollet, Madison Lake, Morristown, Cossota, Elgin, Warsaw, Cleveland, Oshawa, and Skyline. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 9 p.m. in the Twin Cities, a thunder was 1 1/4 miles. It was 78 degrees, or 26 degrees Celsius.
I missed one
The
of
dew point was 76.
I missed one of the alerts because I was on a Discord call, so here you go.